Sometimes we are unable to predict how many times a body of our loop should be executed, and in such situation we use loops while or do while. The difference between both loops is that in loop while, before we go into body of the loop, we check condition. In our situation, our counter should be less than 10, and if it's less than 10, we execute the body of the loop. If we start with 1, we can see result of performing this loop for c less than 10. After every passage we increment c by 1, so we stop on 9 because 9 is still less than 10. We will not get 10 here because obviously this condition wouldn't be satisfied. So for this condition is checked before we go inside the loop. And if we would like to execute body of the loop at least one time, we use loop do while, and the difference is that for this loop we go first into the block of code inside, execute this block, and at the end we check condition. So for this loop we can be sure that at least one time the inside code will be executed. And for our loop, the condition is checked at the end. Our counter should be less than 15. For this reason we stop on 14. However, if we would start with, let's say, 20, we can see that at least one time this loop will be executed.